How do we reduce chewing or continuously putting everything in mouth of a child with autism spectrum disorder? Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I am the founder of Butterfly Learnings. Many of the time you have seen that parents do complain that मेरा बच्चा सब चीजें मुंह में डालता है, जो चीज दो वो मुंह में डालता है, continuously chew करता रहता है. So how do we reduce that and why do they do that? To reduce that, first thing is we need to understand why do they do that. One of the commonest reason why they do that is they have some kind of oromotor sensory issues. Because of that, they feel like continuously putting something in mouth and chewing it. So now there are two ways of management. How do you reduce it? The first is to solve the sensory issue, and the second is to change the behavior. The first thing is how to solve the sensory issues. The sensory issues are usually solved by desensitizing it. How do you do that? By actually putting something in the mouth and training the child to bear it slowly and then increase the time. I'll give a small example. How do you do that? So the first thing you should do is start using external desensitization by doing massages outside the face or on the face. आप सबसे पहले फेस के ऊपर मसाज स्टार्ट करते हो. बहुत बच्चे वो तक बेयर नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो आपको धीरे से करना है, छोड़ना है, निकालना है, करना है, करना है, निकालना है, करना है, निकालना है. धीरे धीरे वो बेयर करने लगते हैं. जब वो बेयर करने लगते हैं, you increase it and then they start bearing the external massage. The next step is to do internal massage first with a routine brush, no vibration. If they are able to bear it. If they are not able to bear it, start doing the same desensitization. थोड़ा करो, निकालो, थोड़ा करो, निकालो, थोड़ा करो. जब आप ये रोज रोज करोगे तब उसको वो desensitize होने लगेगा. The third is using a vibratory brush, and then you start doing the same thing inside. Then start using different textures of food. For example, using a jelly, using a breadstick, using a carrot stick, using an apple, using something which is crispy, everything, so that they get a sensation of different types of foods and they get desensitized with the oromotor sensory issues, and the need for chewing comes down. For reducing the oromotor sensory issues, we have a kit named as Oral Placement Therapy Kit or OPT kit. The kit consists of a lot of types of chewies, which are T-tube, or there is a loop kind of a chewy. All these chewies will help them to reduce the putting everything in mouth, and it helps them in desensitization along with a combination of a vibratory brush and a normal brush. In the meantime, you have to avoid the child from getting infections by putting everything in mouth. Exactly correct. But how do you do that? That is the behavior intervention. How do you do that? The first step is, instead of allowing him to put everything in mouth, localize it to one thing. So मैं हर चीज नहीं मुंह में डालने के बदले एक चीज उसको मुंह में डालने के लिए दूं. So what I will do is I will put a chewy, या फिर कोई एक जो बच्चों में 6 months के 1 year के बच्चों के लिए एक chewy आता है, वो chewy लेके आओ, वो chewy उसके गले में लगा दो, जिससे जब भी वो कुछ और चीज मुंह में डालने लग रहा है, आप उसको वो chewy मुंह में डाल दो. वो रोको, chewy मुंह में डाल दो, वो रोको, chewy मुंह में डाल दो. जब आप मल्टीपल टाइम्स ये करोगे, बच्चे को समझेगा कि मुझे chewy मुंह में डालने के लिए अलाउड है. तो बच्चा सारी चीज मुंह में डालने के बदले सिर्फ चूवी को मुंह में डालने लगेगा. एक बारी जब हमने पूरा जनरलाइज प्रॉब्लम को लोकलाइज कर दिया, लोकलाइज प्रॉब्लम इट्स इजी टू सॉल्व. नाउ एवरी टाइम ही इज पुटिंग चूवी इन हिज माउथ व्हेनेवर ही फील्स लाइक चूइंग. अलोंग विद दैट यू आर एनीवेज टीचिंग द स्किल, दैट इज you are reducing the oromotor sensory issue. Once it gets localized to the chewy, now don't give the chewy every time. Give the chewy for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, don't give the chewy. Again 5 minutes, give the chewy, 15 minutes, don't give the chewy. So the child keeps getting the chewy, but it is not continuous. Then you give it after every 30 minutes and then you stop. After every 30 minutes, then you stop. So That means you are increasing the frequency of non-chewy time and decreasing the frequency of actual chewy time. Slowly you will get to know that the child has stopped or has reduced the chewing of everything or picking up everything and eating and chewing in the mouth. So 2 steps. One is reduce the oromotor sensory issues, and second is behaviorally change the pattern of chewing from all the things to only one thing. Thank you.